Everyone, bună tuturor and welcome back to my channel. For those of you learning Romanian, I have some exciting updates. I have created and I have just published a tool which is designed to keep you motivated and also help you keep track of your progress as you learn Romanian. The tool that I'm talking about is this one over here, a guided notebook. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about it so that you can decide if this is something that you would like to use. I've designed this guided notebook to help you keep track of your progress over 100 days. And it doesn't have to be 100 consecutive days. You use it when it's the right day for you to learn Romanian. It looks like this. So day 1, day 2, for example, everything is in Romanian. In this way, you can be excited about the language, but also you can get used to seeing and using the language. However, the first pages are in English so that you can use them as a guide. Here you are going to find the translation. So either you are going to use this notebook, so you are going to study Romanian. You are going to write the topic, then the source. It can be a YouTube channel, a newspaper, I don't know, maybe a book. If you use a book, make sure that you write the page as well. This is because maybe in the future you want to refer back to it. So if you write it down, then it's going to be easy for you to do so. You're going to write the words that you've learned, then the sentences, any grammar notes. And also you are going to think about what it was difficult that day, but also what you've succeeded in. And also you will think about your mood as well. How do you feel? Motivated? So, very excited. It's important to make a note of how you feel as well, because some days when studying a foreign language is difficult, especially if you study a topic which is challenging. Then you might feel demotivated. However, if you look at the notebook, you open it and you see, well, actually 3 days ago I was very motivated and last week I was very motivated as well, then you are going to understand why you are studying that language and why it's important to you, because it makes you feel good. Then, apart from recording every day what you have learned, also every 10 days you will have the possibility to think about the last 10 days, but also to set goals for the next 10 days. So it looks like this. So you'll think about what you've achieved, what it was difficult, what resources helped you the most, and also you will set goals for the next 10 days. In order to make your learning journey even more interesting and immersive, I've added to the notebook interesting facts and details about Romania, the Romanian culture, and the Romanian language. And you're going to find them throughout the notebook. At the end of the notebook, I've also added extra pages for any additional vocabulary. It looks like this, and you can write the word in Romanian and in English so that you can have everything in one place. Right, so hopefully this is going to be an interesting and useful tool for you. I'm going to add the link in the description below if you'd like to purchase it. It's available on Amazon. Thank you very much. Happy learning and mulțumesc frumos! Pa, pa!